Hey everyone! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we bring you everything automotive, from the latest supercars to the most capable off-roaders. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting updates for 2026, the all-new Ford Explorer Tremor. Yes, that's right folks, the Timberline is out and the Tremor is here to take its place as Ford's ultimate off-road family SUV. Let's break it down. For 2026, Ford is shaking things up by replacing the Explorer Timberline trim with something even more adventurous, the Tremor. This isn't just another trim level. This is an entirely new beast designed to tackle trails while still being practical enough for your daily commute. If you've seen other Tremor models in Ford's lineup, like the F-150 or Maverick, you know I mean business when it comes to off-roading. And now the Explorer gets the same treatment. So let's dig into what makes this thing so special. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Explorer Tremor stands out thanks to its bold styling cues. At the front, there's a unique grille featuring orange horizontal accents, a signature touch for Tremor models. Below that, you'll find steel skid plates protecting the underbody, along with bash plates ready to handle any obstacles you might encounter. And check out these orange painted recovery hooks. They're not just functional, but also add a pop of color to the rugged aesthetic. The ride height has been increased, giving it better ground clearance than ever before. It rides on 18-inch wheels, wrapped in Bridgestone Dueler Revo 3 all-terrain tires, sized 265/65 R18. These babies are built to grip dirt, mud, rocks, and snow without breaking a sweat. Add in retuned suspension and steering systems, specifically calibrated for off-road performance, and you've got a machine that feels at home both on paved roads and unpaved adventures. Now, stepping inside, the Explorer Tremor doesn't compromise on comfort or technology. You'll notice orange contrast stitching throughout the cabin, along with Tremor script embroidered into the seatbacks, a subtle yet cool reminder of this SUV's capabilities. The tech suite remains top-notch, featuring a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen powered by Google built-in. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, making connectivity seamless no matter where you are. And for those who love stats, the digital instrument cluster provides real-time information about your vehicle's performance during off-road excursions. Under the hood, the base engine is expected to be the familiar 2.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, producing 300 horsepower. But here's the kicker. Rumors suggest that the Tremor may also offer the more powerful 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, cranking out a whopping 400 horsepower. That would make this SUV not only capable off-road, but seriously quick on the pavement too. With either engine option, combined with intelligent AWD and advanced terrain management systems, the Explorer Tremor promises to deliver confidence-inspiring performance wherever you go. Of course, safety is a priority, especially in a family-oriented SUV like the Explorer. The Tremor comes packed with standard driver assistance technologies, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, intersection assist, evasive steering assist, rear parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. So, how much will all this capability cost? Initial estimates peg the starting price of the 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor at around $55,000. While that's certainly not cheap, it's competitive considering the level of equipment and capability you're getting. In my opinion, the Tremor is shaping up to be the perfect blend of adventure and practicality. Whether you need a reliable family hauler or a weekend warrior for exploring the great outdoors, this SUV checks all the boxes. There you have it, the 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor. With its enhanced off-road prowess, premium interior, and potent engine options, it's set to redefine what a midsize SUV can do. What do you think? Are you excited about the Tremor, or do you prefer the outgoing Timberline? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the road.